All these ingredients here will be used to make the best egg dish you've never seen before in your entire life. I'll link the ingredients down below in the description. Welcome back to One Plate Gourmet. We'll start off with 1 cup of tomatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, Parmesan cheese, some basil, 2 cloves of garlic, and our eggs. Oh, and we're going to use a Pyrex glass bowl for this. So we're going to first crack our eggs into a bowl and whisk it all together. Now, Raymond didn't actually crack his eggs, I cracked it for him. But we're gonna add in our onion powder, our garlic powder, and our Parmesan cheese. And don't forget our basil. Then we're gonna give it a good whisk. He's looking at me really weird right now because I told everybody that he didn't crack his eggs, that I cracked it for him. But guys, I cracked it for him. The proof is in the video. Anyway, just whisk it all together, add some salt and pepper to taste, of course, you know. And once that's done, we're going to mix that in as well. Now, this is the next important step. You have to coat the inside of the Pyrex glass with butter. Coat it so heavily so that the egg doesn't stick to it while cooking. Pour the eggs mixture inside and set it aside for later. There's no certain thickness for the glass needed, but I prefer to use a thicker type of glassware. Set this aside and we'll go on to our next step. So over medium-low heat, we're going to grate our garlic cloves over some nice olive oil or any oil of your choice, up to you technically. And once that's done, we're going to add in our 1 cup of crushed tomatoes and just give it a good whisk. Set it on medium-high heat and just give it a good whisk. Add in your salt and pepper, of course, to taste. You want to season it well enough so that the taste of lingering tomatoes is no longer in your mouth, but you also don't want to overcook it and burn your tomatoes. So this part takes a little bit of balance, you know. Occasionally stir it and just taste it to see if, you know, it tastes good. And once that's done, we'll move on to our secret ingredient. I didn't add this in the intro at first because, you know, it's really special. But yes, sugar. You want to add in a dash of sugar. Not too much, but it also has to be able to complement the taste of the eggs. Next, we're going to bring a pot of water or basin of water to boil. The water should be about 3/5 the size of the cup so that the cup isn't submerged in water, because you don't want water to get in your eggs. Next, you're going to leave it boiling for about 10 minutes. If it's 2 eggs, 10 minutes. If it's 1 egg, do about 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's going to be hot, so you got to let it cool down before you start plating it. Place a nice flat glass plate over the top of the bowl and just turn it over. And because of the butter, the egg should slide right out. And just top with your tomato, some parsley, and some Parmesan cheese. And once that's done, your dish is finished. Let me get your hands out of here. And there you have it.
Hello everybody, I'm back to One Plate Gourmet, and we're gonna take this to another level where the chicken will finally come back to the egg. And we're gonna have a sense of what I like to call Fowl Pride. Okay, so we're gonna get into the ingredients. We're gonna need ourselves 2 eggs. We're gonna get ourselves some fresh chicken breasts. Then we're gonna get ourselves some fresh peppers. Then we're gonna get some butter, 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna get 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Get some black pepper, and my favorite part, the cheese. You gotta love the cheese, and some English muffins. We're gonna begin by slicing our chicken breasts. Then we're gonna begin to dice and cut up our peppers. Now for the part. You saw Gabe crack the eggs, but you saw me do the magic trick. And they are already in the bowl to begin with. I whisk it because, you know, I'm a civilized human. And then we're going to begin working on the chicken breast. Add the cayenne pepper, since you're not over seasoning overnight. Add the garlic powder. And, you know, just begin the and the onion powder. And just begin slow roasting and cooking it. Just fry it. Add some black pepper. And go for about 20 to 25 minutes. After that, you're going to begin sauteing your peppers. Then we're going to add our butter into the skillet. And then we're going to start working on the eggs. And we're going to add ourselves some garlic powder. Black pepper, you know, to make it nice and fresh. Make the egg real nice. And then we're going to add our chicken and the eggs. And you're thinking, ooh, was I going to do an omelet? No, I wasn't going to do an omelet. This is Fowl Pride. We're taking it to another level. We're going to start toasting our nice English muffins. Thank you, Grandma, for the muffins. Now my true and bestest of friends are true cheese connoisseurs and know that Borden is one of the best cheese manufacturers in the East Coast. Amazing. Get yourself some pepper jack cheese. Top it all off. And here we go for Pride. And there you have it. You fiend. You
Because I exposed your secret?
No, it was no secret. You took my eggs from me.
Raymond, relax.